Meanwhile, Vietnamese Prime Minister Nguyen Thanh Duong called for measures to ensure security in the region. The Vietnamese leader lamented China's moves in the disputed waters in the South China Sea that threaten maritime security, freedom of navigation and aviation in East Asia. Another speaker at the forum was Myanmar Vice President U Nhan Thun. Here's Christine Santos.
In recent years, Vietnam has actively participated in the World Economic Forum on East Asia and successfully organized the WEF East Asia 2010 in Ho Chi Minh City. For this year's World Economic Forum, with the Philippines as its host, Vietnam Prime Minister Nguyen Thanh Duong is currently in the country to attend WEF East Asia 2014 at the invitation of President Aquino and Republican and Chairman of the World Economic Forum Klaus Schwab. PM Duong's opening plenary has focused on leveraging growth for economic progress in the Asia-Pacific region. He emphasized that this is now the time for the region to create fast drivers for fast and sustainable growth. This development, he said, is not possible without peace and stability. In relation to the territorial disputes, the Vietnam Prime Minister asked China to observe the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, further reiterating that China's actions threaten peace, stability and security, and freedom of navigation and aviation. It was disclosed that Vietnam is contemplating legal actions against China over disputes in the South China Sea like what the Philippines just did. Duong clarified that Vietnam always wants peace and friendship. As a proof, Vietnam's Prime Minister explained that they have exercised utmost restraint and showed every good goal and exhausted all dialogue to communicate with Chinese authorities of different levels by expressing protest and demanding China to immediately withdraw its drilling rig and its escorting vessels from the Vietnamese waters. Meanwhile, Myanmar Vice President U Nhan Thun also believes positive relationships between Asian nations can help increase economic growth. In order to restore equity, he said changes in economic structure are required. For the People's Television Network, this is Christine Santos.